So I'll be showing you how to see archived messages on your Galaxy S25. So simply launch the Messages app, and then in the Messages app, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then from the menu, tap on Archived. And that will list for you all archived conversations, and you can tap on any archived conversation and read the contents and messages. Now from here, if you tap on the three dots or at the top, that does nothing. But if you want to unarchive a message, you can just long press on it to select it. Maybe I'll select both, and then I'll tap on the unarchive button with the arrow facing up. So that's going to unarchive the conversation and return them to the main conversation or inbox page. Okay, so that is basically how to see and unarchive messages on your Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.